Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to find out action and filter hooks for any page or plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP Hooks Finder. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation go to any page. So this is our room page. So we are going to find out action hook or filter hook. Now you see we added custom code. So this is our plugin page. We don't have any ID for this page. Now you see not edit, and then you see on top WP Hooks Finder, and then you see show all action and filter hooks, show action hooks, show filter hooks. So you can select according to requirement. So we select show action hooks. So click on it. Now you see all action hooks. So you can find. So we need action hook because we are going to add custom code on this page. So this is our default plugin page. No page ID. So we added this custom code. Now you see hotel booking underscore before underscore room underscore loop. So by using this action hook, we are adding custom code. Now you see this. Now go to page again. Now find. Now you see this is action hook we are using for this custom code. And then you see hide. Now back to custom code. So by using action hook, we added this code. Now you see important full package detail on this room page. So this is our default plugin page, no page ID. So if you want to add any custom code, then you need any action hook or filter hook. So you can find using this plugin for any plugin or page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.